Hello and welcome aboard today's journey. We are going to be making fridge magnets out of acrylic skins. Today we are going to try 3 different glues to see which one works best. Elmers Glue All, Aleens Tacky glue, and of course the trusty hot glue gun. I purchased a magnet kit off of Amazon and I'll link that below in the description if you want to try the same one. It is 20 magnets as a part of the kit. A sheet of magnetic parts. They're actually quite thick. It also came with 20 domed covers. My skins are all different shapes and sizes and colours and thickness, but the first thing you need to do regardless is to find the right spot to put our magnet covers. I'm going to speed this part up because you don't want to watch me spending the next 10 minutes working out exactly where I'm going to put them all. So we're going to start with the tacky glue and just put a little dollop on the bottom of each one and then attach it to the skin. At least that's the theory. Even though I know there is some glue in this bottle, it just does not want to come out. So we are going to use our trusty popsicle sticks. So, as I was saying, a little dollop on the bottom and then attach to the skins, making sure you push down really hard so that there is good contact. And again, let's speed this up a bit. I decided to do 5 of each type of glue initially and decide at the end which glue to use for the remaining pieces. Rather than mess with trying to get the glue out of the Elmers, I went immediately to my trusty popsicle stick. And it is a case of rinse and repeat. A little dollop of glue, push down on the skin and move on to the next. Now, a normal person would have had their hot glue gun already turned on and preheated. I did not. And so we wait. Placing the glue with a glue gun is the same as the others, except that you get a little hot glue strings all the time, which I find very annoying. And rinse and repeat again. Glue, skin, next. Weirdly, that particular purple skin keeps sticking to my glass table. It's not the glue or anything, it's the skin itself, which is quite strange. I ended up deciding to do the remaining pieces with the hot glue gun because it dried so much faster, it stuck so much quicker and was immediately clear. And I just like working with glue guns. So I've already cut out a few, and this is how we do it. The skins are thick enough, you just cut straight around and then trim it up so it's nice and clean. One of the things I learnt today is that even when using a prop, it is extremely difficult for me to cut a circle. So I just keep trimming and trimming and trimming. And trimming more, but I do eventually get something that looks like a circle. And then you just attach the sticky part of the magnet to your skin. And that is a fridge magnet done and ready to go. So, what did I learn today? The hot glue gun dries the fastest, which surprises absolutely nobody. The Elmers took roughly 24 hours to dry, and the tacky glue was still slightly wet for even longer. All three glues worked perfectly for holding the magnets together, but next time I might try some E6000 and see how that goes. Well, that's the end of today's ride. Thank you for joining me. If you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and hit the like. Pressing subscribe and the little bell will make sure that you get notified the next time I venture out on some exciting artistic journey.